Hey everyone, this is going to be a real quick installation. We got this 21-inch blind, Lippert blind from Amazon. We'll have the link to it in the description, but I'll show you how quick we can install it. Basically angle it up here, push these two clips in, come down here to the bottom, make sure your groove is facing down. Get your strings in there, of course. Clip, that's it. Privacy. Hit the thumbs up if you like it. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you.